What's up? This is not a super special occasion for most people, but for me it is, because I finally got new glasses. Over the years, my prescription has slowly but surely declined, and for the longest time, I didn't change my glasses because I don't, I wear my contacts all the time, and so I wear this so rarely that it wasn't worth buying a new pair. Until recently, I went to the optometrist and I was informed that my prescription is so shitty that, the difference is too big and I need to actually replace my glasses. So I did. Yes, I'm wearing my robe, because I just got out of the shower and the light of day is dying, so yeah, this is what we have to deal with. I was like, when did I get these glasses? And so I scrolled through my little, photo booth roll, and the earliest picture that I could find of myself wearing these was this one that I took in May of 2013, which means I've had these glasses for almost 8 years. So yeah, it feels like forever, And so to most people this is not a crazy occasion, but to me it was, okay? I got this pair of glasses from kits.ca, and you know what? Fuck it, this doubles as a kits review. Because I do genuinely like the site. It's super easy to use. I really like the virtual try-on feature, and not all the glasses have it, but most of them do. So here's a video of me trying the virtual try-on feature for these glasses. They looked really good on the site. I thought I looked like a cute nerd. And then I put them on in real life. The shipping was only like 2 business days, which was crazy. And, I like them, but at the same time, the first thought I had was, I have been downgraded from cute nerd to just nerd, and 2, I look like the diversity hire at the IT department. Otherwise, I really like them, and I wanted to share this change with you because it's a thing. People's glasses change, and I haven't changed mine in 8 years, almost 8 years. So I thought that I would share this occasion with you. So yeah, these are my new glasses. Peace.